This video is going to go over how to read images as text. For the first step, when you are looking at images, you're going to spend the first 1 to 2 minutes just looking at the image for things like texture, color, background, and shapes. Is there anything unique that stands out to you? And if you aren't good at keeping information in your head, what I would do is I would make a list. So I would make on a piece of paper, I would say step one, and then I would write out all the details that I'm seeing that relate to texture, color, background, just the basics of the image. Then step two is, what do you see? Write in the margin notes in the top, like basically you're going to write in the margin about what you're seeing. You start at the top left of the picture and you work your way over the image just as if you're reading a text, left to right, top to bottom. And only write things about what you see, not about what you think about what you see, but just the sky is blue. There's two clouds in the sky, that type of information. And if you can't write on the actual image in the margin notes, you can write this on your notebook, your text that's next to you. Step three is asking yourself questions about the image. What do you think is going on? What do you think this is representing? What is it that the person is doing in the image? Those types of things. And write that on your notes. Step four is where we make connections. What you're going to do is you're going to actually make inferences about why you think you're seeing what you're seeing. So you're going to write about connections between the image and yourself, or connections between the image and something that you read or something that you remembered reading. Focus on making connections between the target culture and your own culture. So, what is the culture that's being represented in the image? And then what you yourself think and believe. Whenever we can make a connection about something personally from what our experiences are to what's happening in the text, then it brings more meaning for it. So when you are making an inference, remember that you aren't looking exactly at what the text is telling you, but you're looking about what you think it says and what it means. So if it has a large thumb over the city of New York, what is it representing? Is it representing government and control of a city? That could be an inference. Okay, hope that helps.